Well, we've got everything from celebrity chefs like Bryn Williams and Angela Gray, largest collection of stall holders, local producers that I've ever seen anywhere in Carmarthenshire.
Fi'n byw yn Gyfyrddin a mae busnes fi yn lleoliad yn Gyfyrddin hefyd. Dechreuais i nôl jyst cyn Nadolig flwyddyn diwetha. Jyst dechrau gwneud cakes i ffrindiau i dechrau da, wedyn dechreuais i gwerthu nhw ar y wefan a mynd i shows a pethau fel hefyd wedyn. Mor belled, mae wedi mynd yn rili dda, wedi fi'n cydi amser cynnan ar byddai'n pigo lan bach yn fwy. Bore yma wedyn oedd bach fwy dywel, ond gobeithio byddai'n well to ar fynd fory hefyd.
We've literally only just started out, so for us it's just to get our name known, really. And we did the fair in December and it was really busy, so we decided to come back to this one. For us, we produce everything locally, so we actually use our own meat, and all the stuff that we put into the sausages are so local for us, rather than stressing the animals out in terms of travelling as well. That's also important to us.
Fi'n meddwl bod y safon y bwyd yn arbennig o dda. Dwi'n mynd i cael cyfle i fynd rownd i weld pob un to, ond na, fi'n credu bod y safon yn uchel ofnadw.
Mae wedi bod yn dda, fi'n meddwl bod arian wedi dechrau mynd yn bring o bobl, ond mae fi'n dechrau'n fore i cael gwasgu'r arian mas o bobl, ond fair play, mae werth i dwad yma.
It's a great opportunity for us to promote Pembrokeshire Produce Direct, which is a cooperative of about 70 local food producers. It's a great opportunity for us to promote it to the people of the whole of West Wales and give them the opportunity to buy local produce direct from producers and have it delivered direct to them.
We sell apple juice, cider, brandy and orchard-based preserves. Basically keeping your face out there so people recognise your own product, but also the person that makes it. It's very important because everything here is handmade and basically it's what people prefer at the moment.
Fi'n credu mae'n rili dda i pobl i prynu'n lleol a supporto pobl sy'n yr ardal hefyd, so fi'n credu mae'n rili bwysig lot o bobl lleol yn dod i prynu hefyd sy'n rili dda.
Wel, dwi'n credu bod hi'n bwysig i ni fel cynnyrch lleol a hefyd yn cynnyrch caws Cymru, bod ni'n cael dangos i bobl beth ni'n gwerthu a beth ni'n cynhyrchu yn Gymru a bod dim rhaid i pobl i fynd i Tesco i brynu popeth.
We're blessed in West Wales to have a great number of excellent food producers. Local produce is really important to the economy of the whole of Wales, but particularly West Wales. And it's really important that the people of West Wales work together to support the local food producers.
Wel, mi eisiau cefnogi cyn Gwlad Cymru a'r ffordd gorau i wneud yw bod ni'n lleol. Felly bod e'n rwydd iawn i mynd i'r supermarket achos mae cifan da chi yna, ond a lot o mynd o ymdrech i mynd mas i wylio yn lleol a diolch i ben a safon o well, dwi'n meddwl.
Yeah, well, I'm a bit passionate about local food. When I was working at the newspaper in Carmarthen, I started a buy local campaign because when I first moved here, I was amazed at the produce that that originates from not only the county of Carmarthenshire but also Pembrokeshire, Ceredigion, Gower, Powys, and places like that. And it is second to none in the world. I've always thought that. And I was chatting to Bryn Williams today, and he said exactly the same. So now I think I can say it with some authority. Carmarthenshire produce is the best you'll find on the planet.